Samsung is finally about to correct their biggest mistake. What's up guys, so as usual we're back with the latest news. Last year Samsung made the worst flagship processor of all time, the EXYNOS 990. They knew it from the beginning that their processor is nowhere at the level of Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. Hence they scammed the international market not once, not twice, but 3 times with the S20 Ultra, Note 20 Ultra, and then with the Galaxy S20 FE. Now out of these 3 EXYNOS 990 phones, there is one phone that is still very crucial to Samsung's success, and is actually still selling well despite EXYNOS 990 processor. Yes, Samsung's 2020 phone of the year, the most lovable Galaxy out there, the S20 FE. Since this phone is still selling well, Samsung has finally decided to end the EXYNOS 990's existence by going for Qualcomm all the way. Yes, according to Samsung's own live page, they're actually bringing a Snapdragon model of Galaxy S20 FE with a 4G modem, which is a clear sign that they're about to end the EXYNOS 990 powered S20 FE models. They have probably used all their EXYNOS 990 chips at this point, so it definitely makes sense for them to go for Qualcomm. I wish they made this move when they first announced the S20 FE, it would have been amazing. Now as for the other EXYNOS 990 phones, the S20 Ultra and the Note 20 Ultra, Samsung isn't selling the S20 Ultra and nobody's actually interested in buying this phone. They are also not actively promoting the Note 20 Ultra, at least in the international Asian markets. With the release of Galaxy S21 series and especially the S21 Ultra, they pretty much redeemed themselves when it comes to the flagship game. But the one EXYNOS 990 phone that was still selling well, that needed the Qualcomm chip, is definitely the S20 FE, and now it's getting it. Because of the 4G modem, it's obviously going to be cheaper than the 5G Snapdragon 865 S20 FE, so I'm looking forward to the launch of this phone. It's probably gonna happen very soon. Also in the news, this is pretty incredible, from rumors to leaks to official Samsung patent, and now Samsung has filed a trademark pretty much confirming their plans regarding a Galaxy Fold Tab, aka Galaxy Fold S, aka triple Galaxy foldable smartphone. This is going to be Samsung's craziest design ever, and we might actually see a glimpse of this product at the Fold 3 launch event. There are some rumors saying that. Again, we'll see what eventually happens. Based on what we have seen from Samsung's patent and of course their initial teaser, this is definitely a very exciting product. Now lastly, Samsung's cheapest 5G phone, Galaxy A22, is coming. We actually have some news regarding its processor as well as its pricing. Under the hood, the Galaxy A22 5G is set to rock a Dimensity MediaTek 700 chip. It is a 5G chip, and for the price of $180, it's actually not a bad deal. Again, these very affordable Galaxy A series smartphones are crucial for Samsung's success in international markets. As we have seen previously in global sales numbers, these are the devices that pretty much help Samsung to reach this list. And that's all for today. Finally, I'm gonna end this video with some amazing Galaxy Z Flip 3 renders and all the rumored leaked colors. It's probably not gonna look like this because it's a concept. Nobody really knows what the Z Flip 3 design will be, but we have heard that the outer display is getting bigger and we're gonna see a lot more colors, so I'm excited for that. That's all for today. Happy Sunday. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.